Tips to save water. Number 1. Use bucket for bathing. For bathing, when you use the shower, then you're using 100 liters of water once. Instead, use bucket for bathing, so that you spend only 18 liters of water. Avoid shower and use bucket for bathing. Number 2. Flushing after toilet. Are you using flush for toilets? For every flush you're using 20 liters of water is wasted. Instead, use bucket, because it uses only 6 liters of water. Number 3. Washing clothes. When you use running tap for washing clothes, you are using nearly 116 liters of water every time. If you have used the bucket instead of it, then it will be around only 36 liters. Try using bucket. Are you interested in watching our videos? Do subscribe for more. Number 4. Shaving. Shaving under running tap spends around 5 liters of water, which can be saved by using bucket because it spends only half liters of water. Number 5. Brushing teeth. Brushing teeth under running water uses 5 liters of water. Instead, use the mug or close the tap when not in use. Number 6. Washing car. Don't use running tap water because it spends nearly 100 liters of water for one car wash. When you use bucket for it, then you will be spending only 30 to 40 liters of water. Please use a bucket and you will find a notable difference. Each family can save 300 liters of water every day through minor changes. Thank you. See you again with another topic soon. Watch our other suggested videos.